Hey guys, it's Mrs. Porter. Thanks for joining me today for math. We're going to do math 8.6, which is making a 10 to add. So Sally has 21 stickers in her sticker book, and then she's going to get 6 more. How many stickers does Sally have now? So first, we'll use our 10 rods and our lonely ones to show 21. So there are 2 10s in the number 21, and there is 1 1. So that means we're going to have 2 10s and 1 lonely 1. And then there are not any 10s in the number 6. There's only 1s. So we're going to have 6 more 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, in order for us to figure out how many she has altogether, we can just count our model. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. She has 27 stickers in her sticker book. The other way that we could is by looking at the numbers and adding the number of 10s and then adding the number of 1s. So since there are not any 10s in the number 6, and there's 2 10s in the number 21, 2 10s plus 0 10s is still 2 10s. And since there is 1 in the number 21, and there are 6 1s in the number 27, we would add 6 1s plus 1 1 is 7 1s. And altogether, that makes the number 27. So let's go on to the next page. And let's take a look at the top of our model. Okay. So we are going to make a group of 10 in order to find out 37 plus 8. So the model for 37 is 1, 2, 3 10s, because there's a 3 in the tens place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s, because there's a 7 in the ones place. And then the model for 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. And then in order to add those two together, we are going to take the 1s. Well, let's talk about how many 1s there are altogether. Let's count just the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 1s altogether. All right, I'm going to use my sticks here. So we've got 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, and then we have 8 more 1s. To add 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if I want to add 37 plus 8 more, I've still got my 3 10s here, but we just talked about how I have 15 1s altogether. So I can take some of these 1s and I can turn them into a 10 rod. So if there's 10 1s in a 10 rod, we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's a group of 10 right here. So we can exchange that for a 10 rod. Similar to the way that we talk about in calendar, we can take 10 pennies and we can switch those 10 pennies, those 10 1s, out for 1 10, which is the same as a dime. Okay, so now what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So let's count that to see what number it is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So what we did here is we just putting a circle around the group of 10 ones that I switched out for the 110 rod. So now I will have 4 10s, because remember I took these away and I added one more 10. So here's 10, 20, 30, 40, and there's still my 5 ones in that picture. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 40 plus 5 more is going to equal 45. So that's the same as 37 plus 8 more is going to equal 45. Okay, so let's do number 1 together. So let's do, we'll do sticks and dots for the number 49, because we're doing 49 plus 3 more. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. And then we're going to add 3 more ones. I'll put my 3 ones just down here. 1, 2, 3. So let's count how many ones I have all together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can take 10 of these ones, 10 of these pennies, if you want to think of it that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can take these 10 ones, these 10 pennies, and I can switch them out for 1 10 rod. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. So let's do that in our drawing. So first, let's do the sticks and dots for the number 49. So go ahead and count them with me. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 3 more ones. Okay. So remember what we did there is we took 10 of those ones, because right now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 ones right now. So we took 10 of those ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to take 10 of those ones. And we are going to change that out for 1 10 rod. So I'm going to make my new drawing right over here. So we still have our 4 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then we're taking away these 10 ones, and we're going to put another 10 rod in its place. And so now we've got our 2 extra ones right here. So we've made 1 addition sentence. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 50 plus 2 more is going to be the number 52, which is the same as our 49 plus 3 more is 52. Okay, so I will do 1 more on this side, and then you can do the rest on your own. So in 5 and 6, down here, those ones do look a little tricky with the boxes and the arrows and everything. If you would like to, you can do your stick and dot drawings over here to help you with just the original problem. And then you could kind of skip over this and this, and then you'll just have the answer. So 46 plus 7. But you'll have to make sure that you have some stick and dot drawings over here if that's what you choose to do. Okay, so let's do number 2 right over here. I'm just gonna turn that over. All right, so we've got 39 plus 7. So I'm gonna use my 10 rods here. If it helps you to use these, why don't you use, you can use pens or pencils, or maybe crumple up some little pieces of paper and use them as ones, or you can just do your stick and dot drawings. It's up to you. So 39 is a 3 in the tens place, 10, 20, 30, and a 9 in the ones place, so that's 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then we're going to add 7 more ones. Just move all of these over here so we have a little more space. Okay, and then we're going to add 7 more ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's count how many ones we have right now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So right now we have 16 ones. So it's like we have 16 pennies in our pocket, but we don't want to have 16 pennies. We want to consolidate and maybe have only a couple of coins in our pocket. So let's take 10 of our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here's our 10 ones, or our 10 pennies, and we're going to exchange those for 1 10 rod or 1 dime, if you want to think of it that way. Sometimes that's easier for me. So let's see how many ones we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So let's go ahead and draw that in our box here. So we've got 39, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And then we're going to have 7 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And in order for us to make a 10, to make another 10 rod, we have to take 10 of these lonely ones and put them all together to make a family, a 10 rod. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're going to take those away and we're going to add another 10 rod in its place. So I'm going to have my new drawing over here. So this 10 rod is the same as these 10 ones, which we took away and replaced it with a 10 rod. So now I just have to get the other part of my model. So I have 3 more 10s over here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more ones. All right. So now let's count this model. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay, so 39 plus 7 more is 46. Now there is another way that you could do this, which is just drawing your full model. I'll do that with my blocks here. 1, 2, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, and then we had 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my 39, and here's my extra 7. So the other thing that you could do is just have your model all as one and then just count it. Just count on 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. And then even another way that you could do it is you can go back a couple of pages and do one of the last lessons that we had done where you use a 100 chart like this. And if we were to start at the number 39, so here's 39 on a 100 chart, and then we were to add 7 more, we'd go 7 more places. So 39, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and look at that. We end up on the number 46. So there are a lot of ways that you can solve these. So what I'd like you to do is do these two on your own. You can do these ones also. Remember I said you don't have to worry about the boxes and all that. You can just solve the original problem. If you choose to do it that way, make sure you have some stick and dot drawings over here. Okay. And then go ahead and work on these ones on the back side as well. And if you have any problems and you'd like some help, or even if you just want to come by and talk, you can come to office hours. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.